Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we will discuss how to get rid of scars naturally. Scars are fibrous tissues that replace the damaged skin after an injury. They can be pink, brown or white in color, and the texture depends on the nature of the injury, depth of the wound, and also location of the wound. Your sex, age, ethnicity and genes can also influence the appearance of the scar. Here are some special home remedies that can help get rid of scars naturally. Home remedy number 1, Vitamin E oil. Vitamin E is lipid-soluble vitamin that can easily penetrate into your skin to fasten the cell division process in the skin. Rub vitamin E oil on the scar, especially after a shower and during bedtime. Massage the area gently to absorb the oil completely in the skin. Apply the oil 3 to 4 times every day to get the desired results after 1 to 2 weeks. Home remedy number 2, Aloe vera. Aloe vera gel is one of the best treatments for scars. Add 2 drops of almond oil in 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel in a bowl. Apply the mixture on the affected area with your fingers. Massage the scar with gentle strokes until the mix is completely absorbed in the skin. Leave it on for 20 minutes and then rinse it off with water. Repeat the application 3 to 4 times every day to get rid of scars naturally. Home remedy number 3, Castor oil. Castor oil works by penetrating into the skin to soften the area and break up the scar tissue. Apply and massage the castor oil on the scar and massage the area lightly for 1 to 2 minutes. Blot away the excess oil with a cotton ball. Repeat the application twice every day to get rid of scars gradually in 1 to 2 months depending on the severity of the scars. Home remedy number 4, lemon. Lemon acts as a cleanser and exfoliator to reveal fresh skin, especially in case of acne scars. Soak a cotton ball in fresh lemon juice. Dip the cotton ball over the scar. Keep it on for 10 minutes and then rinse it off with tepid water. Follow it with a light moisturizer or sunscreen if stepping out in the sun. Use the application twice daily to treat scar in 1 to 2 months. Home remedy number 5, baking soda. Baking soda is an excellent remedy to treat acne scars. It works by gently scraping the scar tissue layer by layer. Mix 1 tablespoon each of baking soda in water to form a paste. Apply the paste on the scar and massage gently in circular motion for 2 to 3 minutes. Keep it on for 5 to 10 minutes and then wash it off with lukewarm water. Apply a light moisturizer to keep the skin hydrated, as baking soda can turn your skin dry. Use the application 2 or 3 times a week to get rid of acne scars in 2 months. Home remedy number 6, honey. Honey acts as a natural humectant to keep the scar tissue well moisturized and to speed up healing. Add 2 tablespoons of baking soda to 2 tablespoons of unfiltered honey in a bowl. Mix the ingredients well to get a paste-like consistency. Apply the paste on the scar and massage in gentle circular motion for 2 to 3 minutes. Soak a towel in warm water and wring out the excess water. Place the warm towel on the scarred area until the towel cools off. Wipe off the paste with the same towel. Use this remedy 3 to 4 times a week to treat the scar in 2 to 3 months. Home remedy number 7, cocoa butter. Cocoa butter is also rich in antioxidants that improve the tone and texture of healthy skin and prevents it from damage. Take a dollop of cocoa butter and massage it on the scar. Continue to massage the area in circular motions until the cocoa butter is completely absorbed into the skin. Apply cocoa butter twice every day to lighten the scar in 2 to 3 months. Home remedy number 8, onion juice. Onion juice works on scar by stimulating the production of collagen in your skin. Soak a cotton ball in fresh onion juice. Dab it over the scar and allow it to dry completely and then rinse it off. Apply onion juice to the scar 3 to 4 times every day to get rid of scars effectively. Home remedy number 9, turmeric. Turmeric is loaded with skin healing properties. Combined with lemon, turmeric can lighten and make the scar disappear for good. Take 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder in a bowl. Mix 1 teaspoon of freshly squeezed lemon juice to it. Apply the paste on your scar and leave it on for 15 minutes. Rinse it off with warm water and apply a light moisturizer. Repeat the application twice every day to see improvement in 2 to 3 months. Home remedy number 10. Coconut oil. The saturated fats in coconut oil keep the skin supple and hydrated, ensuring faster healing of the wound. Massage organic coconut oil directly on the scar for 2 to 3 minutes. Repeat the application 2 to 3 times every day to treat scars in 3 months. Thanks for watching this video. Like and share this video and subscribe our channel for more interesting videos.